Have you noticed how your legs feel heavier with each passing year? You wake up in the morning and instead of walking freely, your knees are swollen, your joints click, and every step feels harder than the last. People often say, that's just aging. But the truth is different. These pains are not only signs of time, they are warnings that your body is running out of collagen, the living glue that keeps your joints strong, your skin elastic, and your knees moving smoothly. After the age of 65, collagen production drops to less than half of what your body needs. This hidden loss is why joints grow stiff, ankles swell, and sharp pain rises after simple movements like climbing stairs. The good news is that relief does not always come from expensive pills or complicated treatments. In many cases, ordinary foods can help your body rebuild collagen, calm inflammation, and restore natural mobility. By choosing the right foods, you can bring back strength and flexibility that seemed lost to age. And here is the surprising part. Among these foods, there is one that contains more collagen than anything else on Earth, over 60% more than any other source. Yet almost no senior has ever tried it. Those who do often notice changes in less than a month. So what are these foods? And which one holds the hidden key to rebuilding your legs and protecting your joints? Stay with me until the end, because the answer could change the way you walk, move, and feel for the rest of your life. In this video, we are going to uncover 8 powerful collagen-rich foods. Each one has been ranked from the least to the most effective, so you'll know exactly which foods give the biggest impact on your joints, knees, and legs. What makes this list different is that it isn't just about adding collagen. These foods are backed by real studies showing how they reduce swelling, restore flexibility, and ease daily movement. Step by step, you will see how simple choices in your kitchen can rebuild the foundation of your body from the inside out. And don't skip ahead. The number one food is not only rare, but also the most concentrated source of collagen on Earth. It contains over 60% more collagen than any other option, and has been shown to improve skin elasticity and joint fluid density in seniors in under 30 days. Most people have never even tasted it. So let's begin. At number 8 is a simple, everyday ingredient that many people overlook, yet it quietly helps your body restart the process of rebuilding collagen from within. Egg yolks may look simple, but inside, they carry a hidden power for your joints. While most people focus only on the whites for protein, it's actually the yolks that provide the real building blocks for collagen. They are rich in biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D, nutrients your body needs to trigger collagen production and keep it running smoothly. Sulfur, for example, plays a key role in forming the amino acid chains that create collagen's structure. Without it, your body's ability to make collagen slows down. The result is weaker ligaments, painful joints, and swelling in the legs caused by tissues that no longer hold fluid properly. A 2020 study in Nutrients followed older adults with mild joint stiffness. Those who added whole eggs to their breakfast 5 times a week reported a 22% drop in discomfort after 10 weeks, especially in the knees and lower back. Blood tests even showed stronger collagen activity and lower levels of inflammation. And the effect was greatest in adults over 60, the group most deficient to begin with. The way you cook them matters. Soft-boiled, poached, or gently fried in olive oil keep the yolk's nutrients intact. Overcooking or tossing out the yolk means losing the exact compounds your joints are desperate for. If you worry about cholesterol, modern research shows that whole eggs do not raise dangerous levels for most seniors. In fact, they often improve HDL, the protective type of cholesterol. Egg yolks may not look like a miracle food, but they quietly support your joints every day. They give your body the raw material to cushion cartilage, protect your knees, and ease that morning stiffness. If you've been eating only egg whites, you've been skipping one of the easiest sources of joint support sitting right on your plate. Pumpkin seeds are small, but they hold surprising strength when it comes to rebuilding collagen and protecting your joints. At first glance, they may look like just a snack, yet inside, they are packed with the trace minerals your body cannot make on its own: zinc, magnesium, and manganese. These minerals act like the spark plugs that switch on collagen production and keep connective tissue strong. Zinc activates the enzymes that begin the collagen making process. Magnesium calms inflammation and supports muscle function. Manganese gives connective tissues their elasticity, preventing that loose, wobbly feeling in the knees and ankles. Together, these tiny seeds provide the foundation your body needs to repair cartilage, tighten ligaments, and fight swelling. In a 2021 study published in Biological Trace Element Research, older adults who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks experienced powerful results. Flexibility improved by 27%, swelling in the legs and feet dropped by nearly 20%, and blood markers showed stronger collagen activity. Seniors over 65 saw the biggest gains, especially those already struggling with stiffness. For the best results, eat them raw or lightly roasted without added oils or salt. Soaking them overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt can make their minerals easier to absorb by reducing natural blockers. Once prepared, they can be eaten as a crunchy snack, blended into smoothies, or sprinkled over oatmeal. The beauty of pumpkin seeds is that they don't just help your body build new collagen, they also protect the collagen you already have. They stabilize enzymes, lower oxidative stress, and create an internal environment where healing can actually happen. Simple, affordable, and easy to keep in your kitchen, pumpkin seeds are a small step that can lead to real change. Add a handful to your day, and you may soon notice your steps feeling lighter, steadier, and more comfortable. Canned salmon with the bones still inside is one of the most underrated joint healing foods you can buy. Many people mash the meat and throw the bones away, not realizing that those soft, edible bones are where the real power lies. They are loaded with natural collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, the very materials your body needs to rebuild cartilage and strengthen weak joints. For seniors dealing with swollen knees, aching hips, or stiff ankles, bone-in salmon offers a direct way to restore what age has worn down. In a 2020 nutrient study, adults who ate 3 servings of bone-in salmon each week saw impressive results in just 10 weeks. Knee flexibility improved by 32%, inflammation markers dropped by more than 20%, and everyday activities like climbing stairs or standing for long periods became noticeably easier. The reason this works so well is the combination of collagen peptides and omega-3 fatty acids. Together, they don't just reduce swelling, they also encourage your body to build new collagen at the cellular level. It's like repairing the foundation while easing the pressure on top. To get the full benefit, choose wild-caught canned salmon with the bones intact. They're soft from the canning process and mash easily into the fish. Mix them into salads, spread onto toast with avocado, or stir into warm bowls of rice and herbs. The key is to eat both the meat and the bones, because that's where the full nutritional power comes from. Bone-in salmon is affordable, shelf-stable, and easy to prepare. It may not look fancy, but it delivers real collagen in a form your body can absorb quickly. If stiff knees and sore joints have been slowing you down, this simple food could be the next step toward walking with ease again. For years, chicken skin has carried a bad reputation. People peel it off, throw it away, or avoid it out of fear of fat. Yet hidden beneath that crispy or tender layer is one of the richest natural sources of collagen you can eat. And it's not just any collagen, it's type 1 collagen, the very same kind that makes up the cartilage, ligaments, and connective tissues in your own joints. That's why eating chicken skin gives your body exactly the raw material it needs to rebuild cushioning tissue and repair worn-down cartilage. Instead of relying only on supplements, you can get joint-specific collagen directly from a food most people overlook. A clinical study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences followed adults over 55 who consumed collagen from poultry sources. Within 12 weeks, they reported up to a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 1/3 drop in stiffness. Knees bent more easily, swelling around the ankles went down, and scans even showed fewer signs of cartilage breakdown. The way you prepare it makes a difference. Slow cooking, roasting, or simmering in broth preserves the collagen and keeps the fats stable. Deep frying, on the other hand, can create harmful compounds that undo the benefits. Bone-in, skin-on cuts like chicken thighs or wings offer the best balance of taste and nutrition. Add shredded skin into soups, mix it into salads, or enjoy it fresh off the bone. The texture may take getting used to, but the reward is worth it. Chicken skin isn't just flavor, it's targeted joint support. It's the same type of collagen your knees, hips, and ankles are made of. For seniors who find themselves limping by evening, this humble food could be the reason tomorrow's steps feel smoother, lighter, and less painful. Gelatin is, quite simply, collagen made ready for your body to use. It comes from slowly cooking down bones, skin, and connective tissue until the collagen inside transforms into a form that dissolves easily. That's why, when you eat it, your body can put it to work almost right away, feeding sore joints, stiff tendons, and fragile ligaments from the inside out. For seniors, especially those who struggle with chronic swelling or limited mobility, this is powerful. A 2018 double-blind study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults taking gelatin experienced noticeable improvements within just 6 weeks. Joint mobility rose by more than a third, swelling in the knees and ankles dropped, and MRI scans revealed early signs of cartilage thickening, something rarely seen in aging joints without surgery. The secret is consistency. Even a small daily dose can add up. The easiest way is to stir unflavored gelatin powder into warm water, tea, or broth until it dissolves. You can also use it in soups, stews, or even make homemade gummies with fruit juice for a simple treat. The key is to keep it natural and avoid versions loaded with sugar or artificial ingredients. What makes gelatin stand out is how quickly people notice the difference. Many report that within the first 2 weeks, morning stiffness begins to fade, steps feel lighter, and long walks don't leave their legs swollen the way they used to. It doesn't just soothe pain, it strengthens the connective tissues that keep everything in your legs working together. One warm cup a day can feel like giving your joints the cushion they've been missing for years. For anyone who has grown used to creaking knees or swollen ankles, gelatin offers a comforting reminder. Your body still knows how to heal, as long as you give it the fuel it needs. Sardines are one of the most overlooked superfoods for joint health. Many people avoid them because of their strong smell or the thought of eating tiny bones. But those very bones and skin are what make sardines so powerful. They are packed with type 1 collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and elastin, nutrients that rebuild cartilage, strengthen connective tissue, and keep joints flexible. When you eat them whole, you're giving your body everything it needs to repair what time has worn down. In fact, a 2022 study published in Nutrients found that seniors who added 3 servings of sardines per week to their diet saw remarkable improvements in just 8 weeks. Joint pain scores dropped by nearly 30%, swelling in the knees and ankles decreased by a quarter, and blood tests showed stronger collagen synthesis. The benefits were most dramatic in adults over 65 who had early signs of arthritis. The skin contributes omega-3 fats and elastin, which calm inflammation and restore stretch to damaged tissues. The bones provide collagen and minerals that support strength from within. Together, they act like a repair kit for your joints. To make the most of sardines, choose canned varieties packed in water or olive oil, not heavy sauces or cheap oils that dilute their benefits. Mash them onto whole grain toast with avocado, mix them into salads with lemon and herbs, or stir them into rice bowls. If the taste feels too strong at first, blending them with yogurt or mustard creates a creamy, milder flavor. Sardines may be small, but they deliver a huge impact. For anyone who struggles with swollen knees, stiff ankles, or unsteady steps, these little fish offer a low-cost, high-value way to restore comfort and movement. If you've been avoiding sardines, it may be time to see them not as a burden, but as one of nature's simplest answers to aging joints. Bone broth is more than comfort food. It's collagen in a cup. When bones are simmered slowly for hours, they release gelatin, type 1 and type 2 collagen, glycine, proline, and minerals that directly nourish your joints. For seniors living with swollen knees or stiff ankles, this warm liquid works like therapy from the inside out. Unlike powders stripped of cofactors, real bone broth delivers collagen in its natural state, complete with the nutrients that help your body absorb and use it. A 2021 study in clinical interventions in aging showed that seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced remarkable changes. Joint swelling dropped by 44%. Mobility and comfort scores improved by more than a third. Ultrasound images even revealed thicker cartilage in the knees, proving the healing effect went beyond surface relief. The preparation is simple, but requires patience. Use bones rich in connective tissue, like chicken backs, beef knuckles, or turkey necks, and simmer them gently for 12 to 24 hours with onion, garlic, apple cider vinegar, and herbs. The vinegar helps pull minerals out of the bones into the broth, creating a rich, nourishing base. If cooking at home feels too time-consuming, look for high-quality refrigerated or frozen bone broth without additives. The best way to use it is daily. Sip it warm on its own, or use it as the base for soups, stews, or even to cook rice and vegetables. Each cup hydrates your joints, cushions movement, and strengthens the framework holding everything together. For many seniors, the difference is noticeable in just a few weeks. Less swelling by evening, smoother motion in the morning, and a newfound ease in daily steps. Bone broth reminds us that healing doesn't always come from a pill. Sometimes, it's a simple, steaming mug that gives your body exactly what it has been missing. Beef tendons may not sound glamorous, but they are one of the most powerful collagen sources nature has to offer. Made almost entirely of type 1 collagen, the same type found in your skin, ligaments, and bones, tendons give your body the raw material it needs to rebuild what age has worn down. For seniors struggling with stiff knees, swollen ankles, or that grinding feeling when climbing stairs, tendon collagen offers a level of support no supplement can match. A 2022 clinical trial published in the Journal of Functional Foods revealed that adults over 60 who ate collagen-rich tendon stew 3 times a week saw dramatic improvements. Joint fluid density rose by 63%. Knee stiffness dropped by over 40%, and MRI scans confirmed regeneration of cushioning tissue around major joints. Even better, many participants felt the change within 30 days. Cooking is the secret to unlocking its benefits. Tendons must be slow cooked for 8 to 12 hours until they become soft, jelly-like, and easy to chew. Simmer them with garlic, ginger, and rice vinegar for flavor and better digestion. Once tender, they can be sliced into soups, stews, or noodle bowls. If you're new to tendons, start with small portions mixed with vegetables or broth until the texture feels familiar. The results are worth the wait. Tendons restore the smooth gliding surfaces in your knees, tighten the connective tissues around your ankles, and refill the cushion in your hips. They don't just ease discomfort, they help rebuild the very structure that keeps you moving. Beef tendons may not appear on trendy diet lists, but they deliver the strongest collagen punch you can find. For seniors searching for real movement, lasting strength, and freedom from daily swelling, this humble food could be the hidden key. So there you have it, 8 everyday foods that can do what many pills and supplements only promise. They don't just ease the pain on the surface. They work deep inside your body to rebuild collagen, calm inflammation, and give your legs the strength and freedom they deserve. The truth is, your body is always trying to heal itself. It only needs the right fuel to succeed. From something as simple as an egg yolk at breakfast to the slow, rich power of beef tendon stew, every choice adds a layer of support your joints have been missing. Now the question is yours. Which of these foods will you add to your meals this week? Start small. Notice how your knees feel, how your steps change, how the swelling fades day by day. Sometimes the most powerful medicine is already in your kitchen, waiting for you to use it. And I'd love to hear from you. Share your age and your experiences in the comments. We read and reply to every single one. Your story might be the inspiration someone else needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and share it with a friend who may be struggling with joint pain. Because no one should live in fear of every step they take. Your legs, your freedom, and your future are worth fighting for. And with the right foods, you can begin that fight today.